Since we are moving out of this property, I thought I'll give you a small tour. This is the small hallway that's going upstairs. Coming through, that's the living room. Excuse the mess. Since moving out, things can get messy. There is a small powder room or WC here, and a wash basin. But we normally use this to store the vacuum cleaner, brooms, etc. This is the dining and kitchen together. There is this beautiful view with 3 roof lights, windows, and that's the kitchen. Lots of storage, roof lights. Actually, it's so good when it's raining. Actually, it is raining. Let me show you outside. So there's a huge garden. I'll show you the bedrooms in the next video. Ta-da!